function notation gives us a mathematical way of showing what our input is going into and describing its relationship to the output. So with function notation, we have the function name, which is generally represented by a letter, often lowercase f. Not always, but often. We're going to have the input, which is generally our x variable, and our output, which is generally y. It's not always, but for the most part, that's how it works. So given that f of x equals 6 minus 7x, we want to figure out what the output is. So f of 0, what this is telling us is every time we see x in the equation, we are going to replace it with 0. So we have 6 minus 7 times 0. So we'll have 6, 7 times 0 gives us 0, so f of 0 is 6. Now we have an x minus 7 in here. Don't let that scare you. You are simply going to replace every x with x minus 7. I like to put them in the parentheses so I don't forget to distribute anything. So f of x minus 7, we get 6 minus 7 times x minus 7. So yeah, I just replaced that x with x minus 7. Now I'm going to distribute that 7. So 7x. We have a negative 7 times a negative 7, which gives us a positive 49. I can move that 49 using the commutative property of addition. I will combine like terms. And that is our answer. Can't simplify it any more than that. It is perfectly okay that there's an x in our answer. Now we're given the output and we want to find the input. So it says f of x equals 7. So f of x equals 7. F of x equals 6 minus 7x. So if this is equal to f of x, this is equal to f of x, they must be equal to each other. So we have 7 equals 6 minus 7x. I'll subtract 6 from both sides, and I get 1 equals negative 7x. Divide both sides by a negative 7, and we get negative 1/7 equals x. So when we're given our output, we need to solve for x to find our input. In our next example, f of x equals negative 8. Well, we know f of x is equal to 6 minus 7x. So therefore, those are both equal to f of x, so they must be equal to each other. I'll subtract 6 from both sides, get negative 7x equals negative 8 plus a negative 6 gives us a negative 14. Divide both sides by a negative 7 and we get x equals 2.